We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. It just never gets old when our customers post this type of experience online. We take pride in knowing we're making our customers happy, makes us happy, as we continue to work hard to provide the best service possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior customer service can help you. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.